Okay.
I should say hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Iniwanan niya,
How are you, guy?
iniwanan niya ako kagabi. Sabi niya he will be back after 2 hours.
Okay.
Nabisi siya sa forest. So tell them what you're doing again. What you do in the forest. You protect the forest. Forest.
Yes. I'm a forest servant right here.
Ano to? What's this? First time I see something like
It's
this.
maize, like maize.
Is it sweet or...
No, you can taste it like
Okay. And then there's pala... Wow.
it's like a traditional
Wait.
traditional bread.
I need to show this. I've never seen this before. Di ba? Hindi ko pa nakikita. Maano yung texture niya, parang matigas-tigas. Sausaw natin sa chai. Now it's good. It's sinawsaw sa chai. How do you call it again?
Huh?
How do you... Maize?
Maize, like makai. Do you know makai? Maize.
First time I see.
Okay. Maize, like it's a type of vegetable. You can say vegetable.
But this is flour?
It's a type of flour. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, this is the you can say the tree. Maize.
Mais, corn.
A type of corn. Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. We are enjoying our breakfast here, right?
Because look at the view.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
There is peace, serenity. Environment so romantic.
Your favorite word is serenity. Parang, you mentioned that last night 10 times. Do you like the serenity? Ay, dahil pala nakasampay. Everybody, so ayun na. Kala mo yung background ko, joke lang, no? With the bangs tayo, di ba? Ayoko maglagay ng ipit kasi
Glasses.
Ha?
You don't want to...
No, it's okay. I want them to see my beautiful eyes. Charas! Charas! Para makita yung pungay ng mata ko. Visit na bangs to, oh. Bukas ko na mamaya ka na planchahin yung pag-uwi. Full bangs na tayo, mo na. Panindigan na natin tong sister Hongi na to. Hi, again, this is my view when I was having my coffee earlier. Let me show you. Ayan siya, ayan siya, ayan siya, ayan siya. Ganda. Ganda ng SWAT. Kalam, Pakistan. Pero mas maganda pa din yung full bangs ko. Parang ngayon ako lalabas sa vlog ko na naka-full bangs. Yan mo na. Sorry. Hindi ako makapaglagay ng ribbon because this is a new village. They will not know. I mean, they know, but it's hard to explain na notice ko last night. So, tinanggal ko na lang para walang masyadong aksesorya. Hindi na masyadong maraming tanong. And I don't want Rashid to keep explaining that to them. Welcome to the new episode. Oh, alam niyo, for the longest time, nakakalimutan ko tong sabihin. Again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification buttons on so I can continue sharing my travel journeys to all of you guys. So, let's go! Everybody, good afternoon from India. Kay Teresa here. So, for today, good ako pala ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. You know, Rashid, this is my favorite spot in your village.
Okay.
This one. It looks like, a set in a movie. Really? Yeah. Like if you watch like Game of Thrones, The Witcher, Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter. Sabi sa akin ni Thomas. If you remember Thomas, I was with him in Phi Phi Island in Thailand. And the way he pronounced Harry Potter is like Harry Potter. It's not Potter, it's Potter. Social. Ang social naman talaga. I-video lang natin tong daanan nila kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga to. I-appreciate niyo yung serenity. Katulad nga lang sabi ni Rashid, serenity. O, ayan. Ang bangs ko, maganda kaya to sa pag in-upload ko na. Mga bagets, ganyan lang, laro. Parang panahon. What are they doing? Stones?
Playing.
They're playing? Nagtatakbuhan sila, Hala. Tell them, don't run. Nagtakbuhan, natakot. Sabi sila may bangs na to. Ganyan lang yung mga laro ng bata dito, di ba? Very panahon ng pagkakataon. What lang? Anong ginagawa? What do they do with this?
They're like for fire.
For cooking?
Cooking, yes.
That's a lot. May ganyan din kami sa sa Swabi. Also in Swabi we have it, but now I see it like outside. They usually keep it like inside their house. But this is a lot. Diba? Ayan na mga cow. Ay, there's horse.
Yes,
See?
not for riding.
Yeah.
Too much fast
This is a wild horse. Baka hindi ako umabot niyan sa Malabon. Baka irekta ako niyan sa ano, sa St. Peter's. Itinakbo si Kay Toretto. Hoy, during snow time, balot yan ng snow cap. Rashid, right? During winter,
Yes,
this is all snow?
it's filled with the snow.
Oh, it's filled with the snow.
All around, it's white all around.
Yeah, see, ganda.
Assalamualaikum. Yeah.
Salam alaikum.
Wow.
How are you? Singay. Say, he's good. I'm good. Kayam.
Angrezo then.
Lapes. What did he say?
He said yes, I speak in English. I said yes,
Ah,
I
okay.
speak in English.
Okay. Ay, tari naman ng mga engineering naman palang nagaganap dito. Good morning, salam.
How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
Start early? Garmi. Nay, Philippines eh. Salam. Yeah. Salam. Where are you going? Where are they going?
They're going to Shahur,
You
right?
know English?
Yeah, I speak English. a little also.
He is government retired officer.
Hmm?
Government retired officer.
Ah, okay.
The Secretary General of our village. Okay.
Alright.
For some time he was a supervisor as well.
Hoy everybody, tignan nyo yung aking nilalakaran at the moment. Yes. Ito yung view palabas ng village nila. Ah, di ba? Di ba? Diyos ko po. Kung ganito yung makikita mo araw-araw, maglakad ka, sisipagin ka maglakad. Excited na kaya ako lumabas simula kanina pa. Kasi gusto ko tong makita. Ay, the kids are playing in. Sayang, wala na akong chocolate, ubos na. Yung iba kong chocolate nasa Islamabad. Naloka kasi ako sa Swabi. Uy! Parang yung isang bag na tsokolate, naging ano na lang. Parang naging isang piraso lang sa dami ng bata. Hoyo! Diba? Sabi ko kay Rashid, wag na tayo masyado exploring. Gusto ko lang ma-experience yung village nyo the way it is. Ay! Sabi ko, upo lang tayo, makichika lang tayo. We don't need to explore anything because your village is beautiful enough.
Thank you. Bunch of thanks.
You no longer need to bring me there. This is more than enough. O, diba? May mga pa-cricketing din sila dito. Parang sa Swabi lang din. They also play it here. They're both beautiful. Kasi diba si Swabi, they have the Kundal Dam view. Ito naman yung forest. Diba? Ang ganda ng Pakistan, no? Pinsan pala ni Rashid. Sorry, hindi ko namukhaan agad. Kasama ko yan kagabi. It's beautiful. I keep saying it. Yeah.
Okay.
You play cricket with this view.
Wow.
Like in Swabi, we have the Kundal Dam.
Okay.
It's like a dam. It's like water. Now it's forest.
Exactly.
It's just like Avatar. Water
It's much
and...
better than Sawabi, right?
Huh?
It's much better than Sawabi.
Both are beautiful. Both are beautiful.
But it's our number one.
Because you live here. But both are beautiful.
It's part of paradise for us.
Yung mga tao dito mailang. Sa Swabi parang ayaw nang dumiwalay sa akin eh. Oh, let's go. Paano? Like this or like this? This? It's heavy? Like this? And then I would... Okay. Don't make it too much Just easy lang. Ah, like that. Tama na. Mabigat pala ito. Mas mabigat to, no? Nakaka-muscle to. Ayoko na. Tinamaan ko yung bola. I hit the ball. Tinamaan ko yung bola. Enough. It's heavy. Do you want I throw the ball, you hit? Okay, let's do that. Where's the ball? This one? Hala, dalawa yung itim. Parang show yung isa. Kita. Like this? Or like that? Ay, mali. Again. Again. Mali yung hagis ko. Dapat dito. Okay, go. Pinahirapan ko si Rashid. Sorry naman. Where, do you have suggestion?
This is the right area. You should hit the right area.
Where?
This is middle.
Then I will, like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's the big six.
Ay,
It's a big six.
that's a go? That's good one?
Yeah.
Ay, magaling daw. Maganda daw yun. Big six. Parang gusto ko big heart. I said six! Everybody, this vlog, is relax lang to, ha? This is not travel so much, but still showing you the place, the beauty of Kalam Forest. Yan, tara, maglakad-lakad tayo.
It's a bit away from bazaar, that's why there is no garbage.
Yeah, but I see some.
Like this is a solution tape, like the ball, they tape the ball, they play this, there's a particular thing here.
Hoy, yung kabili pula, fresh pa. Yung kabili pulo, ano pa lang. Pinapataba pa siya. Loko-loko talaga ako. Oh, let's go now. We're just walking here. Lakad-lakad lang. Ganun lang yung ganap natin for today's video. Wala masyadong Pagod ako. Hi, Francis Candiño. If you're watching this is the first day na hindi tayo magkasama. I miss you so much. Hi, si Francis. Mas mabait siya off-cam. Kung nababaitan kayo sa kanya on-cam, mas mabait siya on-cam. Para kang may kasamang tita. Tapos ako mothering naman. Si Francis parang tita naman na, kumain ka na. Pagbibili siya ng food, yung nakared, yung pang pamilya, yung ganun, hindi ka magugutom. If you're with Francis Candier, hindi ka magugutom and you will never get bored. Yes, kasi machika talaga siya. Kung paano siya on-cam, ganun siya off-cam. Mas gusto ko pa nga siya off-cam. Super bait. Not scripted. Binigyan ako ni Francis ng 5K para sabihin to. Charas! I miss si Francis. Namiss ko ang sister ko. Masarap kasama mag-travel si Francis. Independent. Sobrang daling kasama. Magaang kasama. Magaling makisama. Ako lang yung Meldy. Pero si Francis super bait. Hindi mo kailangan mag-adjust ng attitude mo when you are with Francis. You can be yourself. But let's sit there in the Usho. Let's walk. I wanna walk more. Sabi ko kay Rashid, I was telling Rashid that I can literally just sit here whole day. Magdala na lang kami ng kalan, magluluto na ako dito. Okay na ako, magka-camping ako dito. Kaya ko, ang ganda yung lamig na ng panahon. Palabas na kami ng forest, malapit na kami. Yung malapit pero hinihingal na ako. Parang hindi ko na kaya ito. Alam niyo naman, basta laking forest, laking mountain. When they say it's near, it is far. When you say 5 minutes, it means 30 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, exactly. We have to motivate.
We have to motivate? It's not motivating. Charas.
It's a type of motivation. If we already tell you that let's take 30 minutes, you may feel not good, you may feel boring.
That's the reason behind that.
Yes,
That's the motivation.
yes.
Sige. Ama ka na. Charas. Hoy, eto na. Umabot din kami sa main road. Akala ko naman, kailangan pang maubos yung kilay ko bago kami umabot sa main road. Asa na si Rashid? I don't know if you can feel the peacefulness, the katahimikan, and the everything. Imagine just walking here, like, sayong-sayo ang Usho Forest. Sayong-sayo ang Kalam Forest. Ganda talaga dito. Hindi ko naman to babalikan agad kung hindi ako na in love dito. Just look at it. With the accent talaga naman. Tingnan mo naman, Sarap mag-camping dito. I hope I can bring my friends here. I want them to experience this place. Saya, ganda. Love that. Ang payapa. Again, the tourists who are coming here, please don't leave your trash behind. Do not destroy the beauty of Kalam Forest. Calling you out, yes. What do you want to say, Rashid?
Careful about this garbage, it's natural beauty. We shouldn't throw garbage like this in the forest because it's destroy the whole beauty of this Kalam Forest. So dear tourists, you should be careful about it. Thank you.
Take it from the local. He lives here and he feels he's a local here in Kalam Forest. So kung meron man nasasaktan dito, siya yon. So tanda na ng pagkakalat. Magbangs na lang kayo like me. Charas. Bangs ko, ayoko. Tinatamad ako mag-ipit-ipit ngayon. Hi, but let's thank the individuals and yung mga small institutions who's doing their best to preserve and to take care yung beauty ng forest. Because meron ditong mga ano. Right, Rashid? There are small groups who are coming here to actually clean the forest, no?
TMA, it's like a small union,
Mm-hmm.
like a semi-government union. They come here, they clean the garbage
See?
from the forest like that.
And don't think that your one plastic
Okay,
is just one plastic. Because if 100 tourists do that,
exactly.
just imagine the impact. Tignan mo, ang ganda-ganda. Tapos bigla kayo may makikita mga plastic. Masyadong concern. Akala mo talaga si ano ko, Attorney Kay Toretto of Forest. Tayo maglakad sa forest. Tapos tatakbo kang, gusto ko magsuot dito. Alam mo parang mga pangdiwata, yung mga flowy dress. Diyos ko. Ayan, tinalalakaran ko at the moment. Ganda, no? Kala mo sa The Witcher ka. Rashid, we should have brought carpet. You know, small carpet, no? So we can just sit, let's just borrow to your cousin. Total, taga dyan naman yung pinsan mo.
We'll confirm from him.
Yeah. We'll just sit with your cousin also.
Okay.
Diba? I think we have been walking for almost 1 hour now inside the forest. Para mga 40 minutes, no?
Around about 40 to 45 minutes.
Opo, almost 1 hour na nga. 1 hour na ako naglalakad sa gubat. Gusto ko to. Ang sarap huminga sa Pakistan. My respiratory system is respiratory. I mentioned this when I was in Abbottabad.
Okay.
It's so good to breathe. It's healthy for your respiratory system.
Yes.
Because the air in Abbottabad, I think it's high quality. And also here in Swat Kalam, Pakistan.
Really natural.
Yeah. See, imagine all that trees are giving you life. So give back the life. Don't destroy it. Puro ako pang award sa vlog na to. Kasi ang aga-aga tapos ang daming kalat. Oh, go.
There isn't any type of pollution here. Okay. This is the main reason. There isn't any type of pollution here. Not like neither water pollution or wind pollution. I mean that there is no industries in Kalam.
Yeah.
This is the main reason.
Oh, yeah. I did not see any like big industrial building. Yeah, you don't have it
The
here.
reason,
Yeah.
it's clean.
Oh, ikaw. But yeah. Now I realized that. Kalat ang dami. Sorry, nainis kasi. Kung paano yung inis ko sa bangs ko today kasi hindi ko naayos. Ganun din yung inis ko sa kalat. Paano? Makasigaw ka dyan. Chares. Mag-isang oras na ako naglalakad sa gubat. Parang di pa ako nakakalabas. Talaga naman. Ang masakit. Babalik pa kami. Hi, finally we have arrived sa kasi ni Rashid. Diyos ko po. Di ako maganda ngayon. Bisa itong bangs kasi na to. Nakulot-kulot. Tama na nga. If you're watching this, please don't judge me, bangs. Today, it's not bangsing. Hindi natin ginawa ang signature look. Yes. Wala lang. Bakit? Gusto ko mag-looking mukha ako. Check. Kamukha ako si Sister Cameron. Ay, may pa-zipline naman palang nagaganap. Kaya ko yung ganyang zipline, mabagal lang. Ay, humihiga pa. Yung sa Mahodan, hindi ko kaya. Parang ang bilis-bilis. Ito, kaya ko to. Ito na yung kasi niya. Namit ko rin to 2 weeks ago. Sabi ko, babalikan ko siya. Salam. See, I came back. Do they remember me? Sure. They are the one who inviting us for tea.
Okay, let me just
I accept the tea now. Ako na yung nagsabi.
remember your last trip.
See, I accept the tea invitation now. Let's have chai. Ang pakailamera ko talaga. Ay, salam. Salam. Wow. Ang aga mo naman nag-iisting bata ka. Nay. Chai muna ako.
Chay,
Yeah.
Vivek.
Wow.
Arsiman Rasha.
आपका नाम क्या है?
यासिर अमीन
Yasir Mohammed.
Okay, go. Saan yung zipline? Ayun. Yan na. Mabagal lang to, kaya ko to. Ay, bubunggo pala. Magugulatin siya. Bubunggo pala doon, parang ayoko na, natatakot na ako. Shukriya. Hala. Ay, may horsening din. Mamaya ka sa akin. Ha? Ek minute, later. Yeah, I will do it. Yeah, but first chai, because I'm scared. Baka mamatay ako. Hala, baka mamatay ako dyan. Natatakot ako. Ito yung sinasabi ko. The last time kasi, we don't have the time to stop here because we have finished Mahodan Lake ng late when I was with my best friend and when I was with Francis. So, sinadya ko to talagang mag-isa. So, ayan. Dito na ako maghapon. Ayan na ang pa-zip liningin. I think I'm scared. I'm not sure if I can do that. But okay, we will try. I will try. Oh, you see that? Nakikita niyo yung bike na yon. O, pwede yung itawid din dyan. Alam mo, sa kanila ko na lang papagawa. Wag na ako. Baka I don't wanna die. Hi, everybody! So, ayun. Just like what I told you, this vlog is not about traveling. Ito yung vlog na buka dito. Okay na. Ito yung vlog na tumambay ka lang talaga. Kasama ng mga lokal. Magtsatsayo lang kami dito. Ganun lang yung mga ganap namin for today's video. Wala masyado. Yes. It's about showing the... Ay, wait lang. I-cancel mo yan. Sabi nila, sino kaya itong pool bangs na itong nanditong dayo? Tuwang-tuwa. Yung titig niya sa akin. Tuwang-tuwa yan, Muhammad. Sabi mo, Bo, mag-bow ka. Oh. Ay, nako. Kung tinatamad kayo sa vlog na to, skip. But if you like it, like and share. Ganoon. Hala, yung bangs ko, kailangan pala ganito lang.
May ID lang ako.
Ha? ID, mamibigay ko sa'yo. Di maganda yung bangs ko, gagi, para akong ano. Para kamukha ko si Dora. Super Dora the Explorer pala yung itsura ko. Ayaan mo na. Para may iba yung look ko, ano na tayo, Tapos na tayo sa Shih Tzu era. Full bangs, mami. Ayaan mo na, pwede na yan. Hindi ko kasi naayos. Mukha akong in-check. Say bow together. Ek dotin, bow. Huwag mo akong takpan. Dito ka. O, go. Again. Ek dotin, bow. Hindi ako maganda sa mangs. Daing mo ng TikTok bata ka.
Tasi.
Say hi. Okay daw. Okay ka. Magsi-chai kami. Excited ako sa chai. Ayun na yung chai na nararamdaman ko na yung chai na aamoy ko na. Ayun ang mga kaganapan at the moment. Ano lang, chaying lang tayo sa gilid-gilid. And enjoying the viewing. Ganyan tayo. Alam niyo ba yung mga Pakistani? Mga marites yan. Kasi nga, wala kasing internet dito, kaya talagang, ano lang yan, marites lang tayo dito. The chai has arrived. Itong batang, sumama ka na nga, Ayaw mo naman magpatalo, sumama ka na. Hindi ka papaawat dyan sa gilid ko din. You want chai? Good. Good talaga. Ayaw mamigay ng chai. You want chai, tapos sabi ko, good. Hoy, nasa likod ko yung zipline. Ayan. Naghihintay talaga ako na may malaglag dyan. joke lang. Bangas ko, nakakainis naman. Parang ang laki ng ilong ko lalo. Ganito talaga yung chai nila dito. Hindi masyadong marami yung tea. Mas marami yung gatas.
You should drink water than tea, right?
Both. I like both at the same time.
Enjoy.
Gusto ko kaya. Weird na weird sa akin yung mga nakakasabay ko. But if you don't know me, I like drinking chai with water or chai sometimes with soft drinks.
Is the tea fantastic?
Tastes like your tea in the house. It's the same. It's fantastic. Amazing.
Tea is fantastic.
Yes. It's yes.
Just for Indian.
In the Philippines, tea means something else. That's why I'm laughing.
Okay.
Technology, Rasha. Hoy si Muhammad. Okay, si Technology, Rasha. Magaling palang sumayaw itong batang ito. So, sabi nila sa akin, do you want him to dance? Okay, pasayawin natin. So, good dance, ha? Technology,
Technology.
Yung ngipin ng ibang Pakistani, nakakapikon, no? Buong buo, parang naka-veneers. Grabe yung ngipin, nakakainis. Teknolohiya kang bata ka. Pag ikaw hindi ka magaling sumayaw, bugbog ka sa akin, Muhammad. Binugbog yung bata. Wait lang, nagsashot ako ng shoes. Ay, the kalam dance, the patan dance. Paupo ako. Magaling naman pala si Technology, Yeah, like this. Pinapalakpak ko na lang sila. Ayun na, oh. Ganun naman pala. Mag-join na kayo dapat. Sa'yo na ito. Gusto ko to. Nakakatuwa. Love it. Yeah. Nauhaw si technology, yeah. Nakakapi ko yung ngipin nito, buong buo. More music. Technology, ah. Tama ka na. Nananakit ako. Nananakit. Happy buddy, it's Kimi Dora here. Chares. Chares sa Kimi Dora. So, eto na. Itatanong natin yung ziplining. Dito tayo sa Shaheen Sky, dito sa Ushu Forest or Kalam Forest. Kung paano mo gustong sabihin. Hindi ko alam kung gusto ko to. Tatakot ako. Wait lang. Say hi. Pa ako. Diyos ko, feeling ko hindi ko to kaya. Okay, it's my first ever time to do zipline. Because I want you to experience this as well. So let me do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's go. Ay, huy, tataas pa pala. Shoot. May takot ako sa heights. Woo! Okay, I wanna go back alive, okay? Hala! Orkot ako! Technology, yeah! Sorry. Okay. Make sure it's safe, okay? Takot ako. Panginoon ko, matibay ba ito? Lubid naman pala talaga siya. Lord, I hope that this decision is... Bakit yung parang ginagawa ko sa Pakistan, pa-extreme ng pa-extreme? Nagsimula lang to sa chairlift, ngayon may pa-zipline na... Dalawa tayo? 2? Good. Because I'm scared. Nanginginig ako. Tignan mo. Wait lang, kita ba? Hoy, relax lang siya, oh. Tapos nanginginig yung tuhod ko. Nanginginig yung tuhod ko. Diyos ko po. Technology, ah! Teka, yung camera ko, Diyos ko, ipiting ko to. Iniisip ko, pag nalaglag ako, anong ililigtas ko? Yung ulo ko o yung camera? Yung camera. Charas. By John, make sure it's safe, ha?
No tension.
No, I'm tension. sabi niya, no tension. Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Tension! Stop. By John. Parang nagkaka-pressure tuloy sila because sa akin. Ang dami niyang inaano. Kaya na, mabilis lang. Ayan na. Ay, paano na? Ayan na. Now go. Wait, I sit here. Where I sit? Wait lang.
1 minute.
Okay, now go. I want to sit properly. Parang nagkagulo tuloy yung sabayan ng Pilipino dahil sa akin, sabayan ng Pakistan. Okay, go. Now?
Go.
Wait lang! Woo! Shit! O, kaya naman. Slow lang. Woo! Tulis! Woo! At senadora ko talaga. Hello! Hoy, kaya masarap to! Kaya nyo to! Ay! Wag lang kayo lilingon! Ayoko na, bababa na ako dito. Going back?
Good.
Aakyat po. Wag lang kayo titingnan sa baba.
Where are you?
Down? Ay, angat daw ako. I'll go. Whew. Okay. You can do it because I did. Pero babalik pa. Babalik pa, babalik pa. Itsura ko. Hoy, babalik pa, babalik pa. Utangay na. Ayoko na nito. Shoota, nanginginig yung tuhod ko. Wag lang kayo titingin sa ilalim. Okay, ayun yung ano. Ayun yung ano. Ang tawag nito. Ayun yung... nanginginig pa rin ako. Kaya to. Wag lang kayo titingin sa baba, okay? Diyos ko, sana hindi siya nasisira. Tayo daw ako dyan. Tapos nalaglag ako. Wait lang, kuya. Kakapit ako sa kahoy. Nalaglag ako. Dali. Hoy, take note. Takot ako sa heights. Ikabit mo ng maayos yan, bye dyan. Nanginginig yung tuhod ko. Sorry naman. Now go.
Go.
Wait lang. Babalik na. Now go.
Go.
Okay, go. Woo! Bye-bye. Hoy, yung technique, huwag kayo titingnan sa baba. Woo! Tito Reso, ano ginagawa mo sa buhay mo? Okay lang ako dito. Huwag lang yung sa taas. Ang OA. Ang OA. Shut. Ayoko na. Kuya, na-pressure sila sa akin. Ang daming nanonood. Tuwan-tuwa kayo. Natatakot ako. Charas.
Where is it?
Ayoko na ito. Ay, masaya siya. Buhay pa si Kay Toretto. Magagawa ko pa yung pangarap ko. Makakapag next country pa ako. Thank you. In technique, huwag kayong titingin sa baba. Pag nasa gitna na kayo, pwede na kayong tumingin sa baba. Pero pag nasa taas, huwag. Kasi nakakanginig talaga siya ng tuhod. Hoy, it's very safe. Because see, they put a lot. Matagal pala yung proseso niya. No, ang daming nilalagay. Ang bigat. Diyos ko po. Ito pa lang, hindi ko na kaya. Skydiving pa kaya. Naisip ko kaya yung skydive. Ayan na siya. Ganyan yung feeling pag papasok na kayo dito. Ay, taray. Pag ikaw, relax lang. Pag ako, mamatay na ako. Nanginginig ito. Ayoko na ng bike. Pili ko, hindi ko kaya yung bike. Ha? Anong video? Ikaw? Sama ka o sumama ka? Nakaka-orkut. Masaya na nakakatakot. Diyos ko.
It's before, right?
Ha?
It's your first time.
First ever zip lining. Okay lang yung mga ganyan, unti-unti. You want video as well? Technology yan. Ayun pala yung sinasabi sa akin ng bata. Magpa-video daw siya. Pakaminingin. Ang ganda. Ito yung pinaka entry point dito sa may Kalam Forest or Ushu Forest. Ayan siya. Nakita niyo naman sa vlog ko to before. So ayun, dito ako nagtatatambay ngayon. Dito niyo ako mahahanap. Hello, I remember him. Taga dito pala siya. Hala, parang gusto ko na dito. Charas lang. Parang gusto ko na pala dito. Charas lang. Everybody, so ayun, we have finished the lunch. And nakipag-meet kami sa ilang forest security here in Kalam, Pakistan. So because again, Rashid works for the government. He takes care of the forests, Kinamerut. So for example, may mga illegal logging, mga ganyan, or mga kumukuha ng mga, basta nagpuputol ng puno without permission. May mga hindi allowed. So sila yung nag-check niyan. So ay yung team nila. And then near the forest, wait lang, let me show you this. May mga cow. Hello! So ayun, near the forest, merong small park na matagal na akong inaaya ni Rashid. It's just that, wrong timing parate. But now, kahit mainit, i-go na natin, baka hindi na kasi natin mapuntahan. So let's go. Malapit lang to sa after ng security sa forest. Dediretsuhin mo na lang
Our
siya.
bike is not loyal.
But it's okay, we can manage. Let's go!
We are trying to manage it.
Yes. O ayan, this is the road. The road is roadening. Rashid, can you say it? The road is roadening.
The road is roading.
Yes. And the bike cannot manage. Oh my God. Sana kaya ng bike talaga namin to.
Let's go.
Hoy, nakikita niyo ba to? It's so majestic. Wala, may pa-river crossing. Hindi ako handa. Be careful, ikaw nagdadrive. Hoy, may pa-river crossing naman pala kami. Nakakaloka. Ah, shucks, yung sapatos ka. Hindi ito pang adventure. Naka-Nike ako. Okay,
That's
okay.
why I was telling you, this is not loyal.
We can manage it. I will push the bike. I will help the bike. Let's go! Hoy, can you see my view right now? Of course you can see. But I'll show you again. Oh, ayan. Is this open for public or no?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Let's see. Yeah.
I mean, this place, it's open for public.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
It's public place.
Ah, okay, okay.
Storage spot. One of the storage spot.
Okay. So, ayun na nga. Hindi kinaya ng bike namin. So, ang ate mo kay Toretto, naglakad. With the bangs. At least may bangs ulo. Tsaka ng buko, kaya mo na, magmumukha akong Kimidora. Okay lang yan, bakit? Maganda kaya si Kimidora. Kikita niyo ba yung view ko right now? Nasa tuktok na kami ng Kalam. Minutor lang namin. Nakakakita na ako ng snow cap. Yung umakyat kayo ng mountaineering. Tapos, ganito yung itsura ko. Kala ko kasi tatambay lang kami. Pero okay na yan, nandito na tayo. Ganda, oh!
Have you seen the zoo?
Kikita nyo ba to? Grabe no, ang taas ng bundok sa Kalam. Ay. Ay. Diyos ko po, paano tayo babalik nito?
Hold.
Tignan. Ay, Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Ay, if I'm vibrating, I'm sorry. I am vibrating too. If the camera is vibrating, I'm sorry. I am vibrating too. Okay, pupunta dito ng bago kayong kain ha. Ang alog, kakaloka. My God. Diyos ko naman. Saan-saan mo ako dinadala. Ay! Oh, chat na. Ay, Diyos ko, tumatalon na talaga ako sa upuan, mami. Hoy, pag napuputol yung video ko ha, is because there are women around. So, sa mga naghahanap dyan, kung bakit walang babae sa Pakistan, meron. Madami. It's just that, kapag merong nakahagip sa camera, nakikita ko palang malayo na, ine-end ko na yung video. Yes. But, I think this is the park. It's this is hotel? Diyos ko. Hotel park pala ito. Paano tayong aakyat? Pag lalakarin mo ako, hindi ako nakapang hiking shoes. Hala. Ang ganda naman. Parang ang ganda nitong pang ending ng movie, no? Yung kunyari dyan na kayo maghihiwalay, parang dyan yung ending. Feeling ko hindi na ako aabot sa Malabon dahil sa ginagawa natin ni Rachel. Ano ba nangyayari dito? Talaga naman. Hoy everybody, so ano yun? Ito na yung small park. Ito pala, harap lang siya ng hotel. Para lang siyang open na lote. But some locals, lalo na yung mga security, they call this is like a small park. And this is what exactly you can see here right now. The majestic, the beautiful, the amazing Kalam, Swat, Pakistan. Di ba ang bongga? And everybody, please take note, if you watch or if you heard any news that may mga ganap sa Swat, it's not safe, mga ganyan, please verify it to someone who lives in Swat, okay? Don't just like base everything on what you heard or most especially sa mga news. If you're watching this video right now, this is literally just few days after kumalat yung video sa TikTok about the disaster, about the flooding here in Swat, Pakistan. As you can see right now, this is how it looks like. But let's remember that some places, especially Buner or Buner, was the one that was heavily affected by the flood. But Kalam, it is completely fine. It is completely normal. Hoy, ayan na. Just to let you know, like, ang daing babae on my left side, like, around 8 or 6, something like that. But of course, we will be requesting them to just be on the side for now because again, mga nagdadalaga na yung mga yan, so they are no longer allowed in my camera. So pag medyo naputol yung chika ko on this vlog, it's because like arriving, naka-ano sila, nagpapahinga lang sila dyan. And I want to make this quick because I don't want to disturb them. They are enjoying the view right now. Ang kaganda nila. Sobrang ganda. Sila ang mga totoong Mama Mary. Hindi ako. Rasha.
Rasha.
This your son?
I'm a son. Yes.
Your son?
Son.
So I think you are very white before.
Yes. What do you do?
I think he is, you also, because Mitaf, he also white,
yes.
but he not go out.
Okay.
You always go out.
I am Moment Agency.
Huh?
From Muman Agency,
Moment
Peshawar.
Agency.
Peshawar?
One of the area in Peshawar.
Moment Agency.
Uh-huh.
Muman Agency.
No police, no army, no.
Nothing's like they have their own rules and regulations here.
Our rules.
Where? In Peshawar?
Nee, nee.
One of the area in Peshawar.
I wanna go there.
Okay. It's Muman Agency.
Yeah.
Agency.
Is that a tribe?
Yes, a tribe.
10 hour.
I will go.
Peshawar.
Lasha. आपका नाम क्या है?
Nung di sa de.
Salam. Say hi.
Huh?
Say hi dad.
Temur.
Maganda.
Temur.
Hello ka. Hello.
Temur is his name, right? Temur.
So, you're also son?
Yeah, son.
How old are you?
Sumra, matlab umar is sumra.
Rasha, how old are you? Age?
45.
45.
45. Son.
How many? 4?
Now 10.
10? 10 yung anak.
10 sons.
10 sons? No, 4.
10 daughter, 4,
Four daughters, six sons.
son.
Where is the other 2?
6 son.
They are some one in Malaysia,
Malaysia.
one in Malaysia.
Ah,
and one
okay.
in
Malaysia.
The other son is big.
The big,
yeah.
big.
Working in Malaysia.
King Malaysia.
Okay.
Malaysia.
Hoy, tama naman yung mga anak niya, oh.
Among chito.
Artistahin, no? Tapos sa bundok nakatira. Ganito talaga dito. Istanom sa de.
Abu Hanifa,
Istanom sa de.
Yahya,
Istanom sa de.
Temur.
Istanom sa de.
Sofyan.
Sofian. Okay. Hi everybody, that is my little adventure for today. Just gonna go to the market. We found the park in Furnace. So that's the park na some of the locals. Yung mga local talaga sa lokal na to, yung ganoon. If you know what I mean. We found the park and we met a good family there. So cute, their family. I like that. Whew! Pagod! Shoota! But look at my view. My God! Pakistan! Laki ng Pakistan, no? Parang kahit mag-spend ako ng buong buhay ko dito, hindi ko na maiikot. At papayat ako dito. Parang payat taba. Payat kasi more hiking, more bundok. Taba, kasi pagbaba mo ng mga bundok, ang sarap ng mga pagkain. Tara na, Rashid. Ayun. Ito talaga yung legit na road, is roadening. Ha? I go down? Okay. Woo! Very long yung adventure. Naka-sneakers ako. Hindi ko suot yung pang-hiking ko. Look at the road. My God. Very long yung suot ka. Hindi ako nakapaghanda. Ang arte. Laki naman ng ilong. Hashtag kay Toretto. Ang laki ng ilong mo. Shota. Pagod ako. Pero ang ganda ng view. Baging bawi. Kaya lang yan. Akala mo yung background ko. Joke lang sa ganda, no? Naglalaba pala sila. Ang ganda, oh. Nakikita nyo ba to? Napakaganda. Yung mga trip ko today, sabi ko, relax. Nauwi sa adventuring. I was literally just planning to sit in the forest. Look at what happened today. I think there's more going up. No, what's there?
Here,
Yeah.
that's a meadow, beautiful meadow here.
Oh.
One can go by using 4x4.
Only 4x4.
Yeah.
So bike cannot.
No. Bike, like one person can also go, but it's not, they're not good.
Okay.
It's
So-
really rough.
My God, you gave me an idea. Tinatanong ko kung ano yung kasi parang ang taas-taas pa. But people are walking.
Yes, most of it will go there by water, like by feet.
I wanna try it some other time.
Too much away from here.
Yeah. But the locals can manage it, no? Hoy, ito na naman ng mga palitol adventuring. May pa-river crossing kaming naganap bigla. Yung tsahay, yung pahinga kong sinasabi. Okay, I go down. Huwag natin pilitin. Huwag natin pilitin. Baka hindi ako umabot sa Malabon City. Gusto ko pang kumain ng pansit palabok. At saka ng kutsinta, at saka ng puto sa may bayan. Shout out po sa mga nanonood ng vlog na ito, most especially to Malabonians. If you know me, mag-send naman po kayo ng puto sa bahay ng nanay ko. Gusto po ng nanay ko yung itlog na maalat. Yata. At saka cheese, nakalimutan ko na. Doon na lang po babayaran. Cash on delivery na lang po, please. Surprising nyo sila. I-DM nyo po ako. Ibibigay ko yung address ng nanay ko. Hoy, nandito kami ngayon sa Kalam Bazaar. So, I'm just gonna buy fruits. For evening time. Tapos bumili na rin ako ng labs ko later para hindi na nila isipin ko ano yung kakainin ko. Na-stress ako sa kanila, nahiya ako. Let's buy. So ayan, magbabasar tayo ng very light. Where is the best place to buy fruits here?
Dry fruit.
Fruits, like normal fruits. I think this one is good. It looks good, no? Do mango. Just medium size. And then thin. Yeah. Good one? Tell him to give me good one, huh? It's good? It's green eh. Little sweet, green pa yan. Tapos tatlo nito. Ayoko magputol. And then thin piece, this 3. Salam. How are you? This is good. Now it's good. Yes. And then thin banana. I like this more. Okay na yan. Go na yan. Take it. It's okay. O ayan, nagbili tayo ng mga ano. Ay, may nakikita ako maganda doon. Wait lang. Bibili tayo ng apple sa kabila. Hoy, parang ang ganda ng apple niya. Dito tayo bumili ng apple. Pomegranate pala to. Sorry, kala ko apple. Hindi pala apple yun. Sorry. Wrong tayo. Nagmamadali na ako kasi bibili lang kami ng apple ni Rashid. Tapos, alis na. Balik na kami sa forest. Ano to? Apple ba to? This apple?
Apple.
Apple nga. Tara, mamili tayo. Apple. Maganda yung apple niya. Pulang-pula. Sana maganda rin yung loob. O, ito. Tin. Ay! Again? Parang ikaw yung kapatid ng binigyan ko ng pera kanina. Niloloko mo ako. Tikit na.
100 rupees.
100. O, diba? Sa Pakistan. Niloloko nyo ako mga bata kayo. Ito na, take. Niloloko mo ako sa kapatid mo yan eh. Yung bata nanghihingi ulit ng binibenta yung Sana si Rashid? May nag-how are you sa akin, hindi ko makita, yun pala, Say hi! Hoy, ayan yung mga palengke nila dito, may mga gulay. May nakita ko mga ampalaya, okra, ang ganda ng banana. O, diba? Ang sarap mamili dito. Hoy, tinan mo itong apple, 100 rupees, tatlo na. Ha? Yeah, I'm done. Let's go. Hoy, ayan na, back to the forest na kami. Pwede na yan. Yes. Yeah, I'm okay. Let's go. Ayan yung market ng Kalam. Ayan siya. O, diba? Meron sa mga paligid, ganyan. Abu! Tatay ni Rashid. Tinawag ko na lang na Abu. Tatay ni Rashid. Ayun ang tatay niya. Say na? Okay, lapis. Where did he go? Ha?
He is on duty, like he is on here to observe the situation.
Okay. Sabi niya, tatay ko, sabi niya may father. Kumbaga sa Tagalog, uy, tatay ko. Pinakita mo yung tatay sa gilid-gilid, uy, father ko. Rashid, say, tatay ko. Say, tatay ko.
Tatay ko.
My father. Say, tatay ko. Tatay ko.
Tatay ko.
Yes, tatay ko, Like this, tatay ko,
Tatay ko.
Let's go. Hi, the food. That's Huwag niyong ilagay sa araw. Hindi maganda. Ganyaan, yes. Ganyaan.
Hey, Rasha.
Rasha, nay, Rasha. 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 Lahat kakain. Maghati-hati tayo sa fruits. Dapat may grapes pa yun, kaso si Rashid, namadali ako.
Okay, he wanna go to Philippines.
Ikaw talaga. Gusto ko ng apple. Tignan mo na natin yung apple. Matamis siya. Okra. Hi everybody, so that's gonna be it. This is where I'm gonna be ending my vlog for today's video. And a lot of them will be with me as well in my camping experience here tonight. But that's gonna be the part 2 or next episode of this vlog. So again, this is Kate Toretto. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. Sana enjoy nyo itong vlog na to. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day closing the episode of my Ushu or Kalam Forest here in Kalam, Pakistan. Bye-bye. Bo. See you later. Kala mo na kayo magkakasama mamaya, no? Yung vlog ko naman mamaya, magkakasama kami sa camping. Bonus clip, picture taking. Kaya dito ako nag-zipline kanina sa Shasin Sky. Punta kayo dito. Good?
Can you put your hand?
Me, I will do it. Oh, good. Dance first. Ek dance more. Ek dance. Sumayaw ka muna. O tara na, let's go. Ito ang dancer dito talaga. Bas? Bas.
Boom fire!
Nakakadami ka na, Muhammad. Let's go. Done? Bas. Oh, see you later. Oh, that's the bonus clip. Maglalakad na kami. Tara. Lakad na naman. Hoy, Zishan! Saan ka pupunta? Pinsan ni Rashi, dinaharang ko sa daan. Where you go?
Huh?
Where he go? Bazaar?
Bazaar.
Oh.
Huh? Ashish, he is going to bazaar.
Okay, let's go. Let's go! Uwi na tayo. Mahaba-habang lakaran ito. Talaga naman, Toretto, pinagagagawa mo in life. Hoy, everybody. Dagdagan natin yung bonus clip. Para lang makita nyo yung ganda ng Ushu Forest kapag afternoon time. Hoy, just imagine mahangin. Tapos yung hangin, chill siya, malamig siya. Ayan siya. Just don't mind the kalat. Nagreklamo na ako sa munisipyo. Sa munisipyo ng Kalam. Chares! Naririnig nyo ba yon? Yung parang ulan? That's actually galaw ng dahon. Ang relaxing sobra.